Hi guys, I'm gonna show you on how to check if the two equations, linear equations, are parallel, perpendicular, or neither of the two. So before we start, let's have a short recall. We can tell that the lines are parallel if the slopes are equal. We can tell that the lines are perpendicular if the product of the slopes is -1. If none of those satisfy the condition, then we can write neither. Okay, so first things first, rewrite this equation in y-intercept form. So it has to be in this form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so let's start with number, or the first equation here. X minus 2y is equal to 4. We're going to isolate the y on the left and then transfer the x on the right side. Okay, so -2 divided by -2. Therefore, y is positive 1/2 x minus 2. So looking at this equation, our slope then, which is represented by letter m, is 1/2. Okay, let's go to the second equation. X minus 2y is equal to 10. The same process, negative x plus 10. -2 divided by -2. Y is positive 1/2 x minus 5. Therefore, the slope is the same thing. It's 1/2. Then we can say that these two lines right here, these two linear equations, are parallel. Okay, so that's going to be our answer right there. Next, number 2, we will see the same process. Let's start with the first equation. Isolate the y on the left, transpose the x on the right. Constant stays right there, divide by 2. Y is negative 1/2 x minus 1. So our slope there is negative 1/2. What about the second equation here? 2x minus y. We have negative 2x minus 5. Since this is negative, our answer should be in positive form. Divide by -1. Divide by -1. The negative cancels each other's out. Y is positive 2x plus 5. So slope here is 2. So if you notice, they are not the same, meaning they are not parallel. The slopes are not the same. So parallel would not be the option. Let's see if the product would be -1. How much is negative 1/2 times 2? So negative 1/2 times 2, that would be negative 2/2 or -1. So therefore our answer would be perpendicular, since our slope, the product of our slope is -1. Next, number 3. I would expect this is neither, but we will check first how we can get into that answer. X plus 2y is equal to -6. Again, isolate the y on the left and x on the right. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Y is negative 1/2 x minus 3. So slope here is negative 1/2. What about the other equation? X plus 5y is equal to negative 25. Isolate the y on the left. Divide by 5 here. Divide by 5. Therefore, our equation would be negative 1/5 x minus 5. Our slope here is negative 1/5. Alright, so not equal, therefore they are not parallel. Let's see if the product is negative 1. Multiply, that would give us 1/10. So the answer is not negative 1, therefore it's not perpendicular as well. Therefore our answer is neither parallel or perpendicular. That's it. So thank you very much, guys.